Irish host, never be their battle lost. For in battle never yet have they basely earned defeat. Host of armor red and bright, may you fight a valiant fight for the green spot of the earth, for the land that gave you birth. Who in Erin's cause will stand, brothers of the avenging band. You must wed a mortal quarrel, pain and sweat and bloody peril. On the mountain bare and steep, snatching short but pleasant sleep, then a sunrise from his eyrie, swooping on the Saxon quarry. What a load you failed to keep, Livy's plain or Tara steep, Cashel's pleasant streams to save, or the meads of Croghan made. Want of conduct past the town, broke the Whitewall castle down. Moira lost and old Taltina let the conquering stranger in. 'Twas the want of right command, not the lack of heart or hand, left your hills and plains today, neath the strong clan Saxon sway. Had heaven never sent discord for a punishment, triumphs few o'er Erin's host, at Clan London now to boast. Woe is me, 'tis God's decree, strangers have the victory. Irishmen may now be found, outlaws up on Irish ground. Like a wild beast in his den, lies the chief by hill and glen, while the stranger's proud and savage, Griffin's richest valleys ravage. Woe is me, the foul offence, treachery and violence, done against my people's rights, while may mine be restless nights. When old Leinster sons of fame, heads of many a warlike name, redden their victorious hilts, on the Gaul my soul exults. When the grim Gaul who have come hither o'er the ocean foam, from the fight victorious go, then my heart sinks deadly low. Bless the blades our warriors draw, God be with Clanranallah, but my soul is weak for fear, thinking of the danger here. Have them in thy holy keeping, God be with them lying sleeping, God be with them standing fighting, Erin's foes in battle, smiting, smiting, smiting.